Go.
Why do you think all the teachers think that the unshishables will stop the contest, and why?
I think I think the teachers will stop the competition because maybe they think it's been going. Never mind. Maybe they think it's been going on for too long, and maybe they're just guessing that it'll probably just stop now because maybe they know the kids by themselves, but they really don't.
I think the teachers think that they will stop the contest because, well, they're the unshushables. But maybe things have changed, and maybe they won't, and maybe they will just keep quiet. But I don't think that's the case. I think that they are just gonna be quiet for like this is the last day, and then they're gonna see who won. And I think that Dave is gonna put. I think that Lindsay's gonna put a big L on Dave's forehead.
I agree with both of them, and I like both Hannah and Allison, and I like to add on that maybe the teachers think that they're stopping the contest because the kids, they said that they would start singing, and maybe when they started singing, all of the teachers thought, oh, they're starting to talk more and sing and stuff, so maybe they thought that that was a clue that would make them think that they were stopping the contest.
That's it. I have something to say to you.
I agree with Stacy because maybe the teachers did get a hint. Sorry. Maybe the teachers did get a hint that they were singing because when they were singing in music class, maybe the teachers got an idea that they would maybe start talking.
I definitely agree with Stacy. I definitely agree with Stacy and Allison, and I'd like to add on that I think that they're going to decide, oh, let's just keep the contest going, and I think they're going to go for a long time. But I also think that they might not do that because they feel like they'll feel like they're bonding together, and then they won't want to do that.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.